हाय टेंथीज, वेलकम टू योर सोशल साइंस गाइड चैनल। आई होप आपने मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियोस देखी हो जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल पे थी, एंड आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड देम ऑल। नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विद द न्यू टाइप ऑफ सॉइल विच इज एरिड सॉइल. It is very easy as compared to other types of the soil. Let's start. So in every soil I first take up the formation of the soil. So for the formation of the arid soil we need two type of conditions. The first condition for the arid soil we need the dry climate. मतलब बारिश बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए होती है. There is a dry climate, very सूखा climate. And the second type is the high temperature. So these are the condition in which the arid soil is formed. First is the dry climate, the second is the high temperature. So these are the things which are required for the formation of the arid soil. Now let's move to the features of the arid soil. Now in the features of arid soil there are 2 or 3 difficult words which you have to understand. Then only you will be able to understand the features of the arid soil. The first feature of the arid soil is that it varies from brown to red color. ब्राउन और रेड कलर के बीच में जितने भी कलर होते हैं, या ब्राउन और रेड कलर, द एरिड सॉइल इज ऑफ these colors, brown to red color. The next feature of the arid soil is that it is sandy. It is sandy in texture and saline in nature. It is sandy in nature मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई होती है छूने में. जब आप इस सॉइल को टच करोगे इट इज़ वेरी ड्राई टाइप ऑफ सॉइल. एंड saline in nature, saline I have used a lot of time in earlier videos also, that saline means salt content in the soil. So it is very sandy in texture मतलब छूने में, and saline in nature मतलब salty in nature. Okay. The third feature is that कि salt content is very high in some areas. मतलब कि इस सॉइल में कहीं कहीं पे सॉल्ट का जो कंटेंट होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ड्यू टू इट्स फीचर ऑफ सेलाइन इन नेचर. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पार्ट इन द सॉइल विच आर वेरी रिच इन सॉल्ट. ठीक है. सो द सॉल्ट कंटेंट इज वेरी हाई इन सम एरियाज. Now let's move to the next feature of the arid soil. The fourth feature of the arid soil. The fourth feature of the arid soil is that कि in dry climate and high temperature evaporation is faster. Okay. So in the arid soil the process of evaporation, what is evaporation? It is the process when the water in liquid form changes into the gaseous form. अब आप कहोगे कि soil में evaporation का क्या काम है? We will talk about it in the later points. So for now you understand that in the dry climate and high temperature evaporation is faster. The fifth feature of the arid soil is that कि it has poor humus and moisture. दोनों moisture और humus are very poor in this soil because this soil is very dry in nature. So these are the features. The sixth feature of the arid soil is that first feature of the arid soil is that in the lower horizon there are conquered due to the increasing calcium content downwards. आप जैसे जैसे सॉइल के डीप में जाते रहोगे, जैसे जैसे सॉइल के लोअर पार्ट में जाते रहोगे, calcium content will increase in the soil, and due to the increase in the calcium content in the lower horizon, the conquered amount is also increasing in the arid soil. The conquered are छोटा छोटा पत्थर. And what is the lower horizon? What is horizon? Horizon is the line which is parallel to the soil surface and have different physical, chemical and biological properties or characteristics. So जितना जितना ये सॉइल नीचे जाएगी, जितना जितना ये सॉइल डीप में जाएगी, इसमें कैल्शियम कंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगा, and because of the increase in the calcium content, the conquered will also increase, and the calcium is very good for the bones. Okay, the next, the seventh feature of the arid soil is that the seventh feature of the arid soil is that after irrigation, this soil is made cultivable. मतलब इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज के बाद ये सॉइल जो है थोड़ी सी कल्टीवेबल होने लगी. द एट्थ एंड द लास्ट फीचर इज दैट कि the presence of conquer prevents or restricts the infiltration of water. What is infiltration of water? कि when the water from the groundwater enters into the soil, so presence of the conquer prevents this infiltration of water. The water cannot enter through the groundwater into the soil. The conquer prevents it. So these are the features of the arid soil. Now let's talk about the area of the arid soil. अब हमने इतने फीचर्स पढ़े तो हमें थोड़ा सा एरिया का तो आइडिया हो गया होगा कि एरिड सॉइल जो है ऐसे एरियाज में होती है जहाँ पर ड्राई क्लाइमेट होता है, जहाँ पर हाई टेम्परेचर होता है, जहाँ पर बारिश ना के बराबर होती है. तो ऐसा एरिया कौन सा है? देयर इज ओनली वन एरिया विच इज वेस्टर्न राजस्थान. सो दिस सॉइल इज फाउंड इन द वेस्टर्न राजस्थान. Indirectly you can talk that it is a desert soil. The last thing, the crop which we get is common salt. So from the arid soil we get the common salt from the process of evaporation. मतलब या तो थोड़ी सी बारिश हो जाए या लोग इस पे ऊपर से पानी डाल के, then there is a natural process of evaporation and the salt is made out of this soil. So this was the arid soil. I think it is clear to you. Let's first recapitulate the arid soil again and let me give you the meaning of the difficult term so that you can understand it well. You can note it down, the difficult terms used in the soil, used in this particular soil. The first thing which we talked about arid soil was that its formation. Its formation requires dry climate and high temperature. Then we will move to the features. In features we learned that this soil varies from red to brown color. The second features which we focused on is that in the lower horizon this soil has a large amount of the conchars, and due to the presence of these conchar there is a large amount of calcium in the arid soil which is in the deeper of the soil. Now in this we get the term horizon. What is horizon? horizon is the line parallel to the soil surface which has different physical, chemical and biological properties. So this is horizon. You can copy this. Okay. So this is the meaning of horizon, that it is the line parallel. What is parallel? The line which do not meet. So अगर हम बात करें, अगर soil ऐसे ground में है, so this is the horizon, this is the soil surface. Okay, I think it is clear to you what is horizon. The next feature that we taught or learned about is that this soil has become cultivable after the process of irrigation. The second thing that we learned is that in the dry climate and in the high temperature, this soil do the evaporation very fast. What is evaporation? You can note down the definition of evaporation. What is evaporation? You have used this term in science a lot. What is evaporation? Now listen. What is evaporation? Okay. Evaporation, process by which water in liquid form converts into gas. Okay. So evaporation is the process by which the water in liquid form converts into gas. अब जब इसमें evaporation हुआ, जो पानी है वो तो गैस के फॉर्म में उड़ गया और बचा हुआ क्या मिला? Salt. So the common salt is obtained from the arid soil through the process of evaporation. The next feature that we come across is that due to the presence of conker, it prevents the infiltration of water. The term of infiltration I have taught a lot of time, that infiltration means that it is the process when water from the groundwater enters into the soil. Now infiltration prevent होता है इस वाली soil में due to the presence of conker. So the water from the groundwater do not enter into the soil, making this type of soil a very dry soil. Now the next feature that we came across is that it is sandy in texture and saline in nature. What is saline? The salt content in the soil, and that salt content is very high in some areas, and that salt content gives up the common salt from this type of the soil. Now then we understood that the crops that we get from this soil is the common salt through the process of evaporation, and in the areas where we find this type of soil is the Western Rajasthan. Okay, so I think you are able to understand this type of soil. So we will meet in the next video about the forest soil, and that forest soil I will do in parts, because there are many terms to understand in the forest soil. I hope the soils are becoming clear to you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more knowledge. Thank you.